Sorry, I have to change shirts. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the 2021 official tour of my gaming setup. This is what I currently have, my gaming setup that's behind me. I do gaming on this setup. I do YouTube video editing or TikTok video editing, as well as coding. That's my full-time job during the day. So sometimes when I'm working from home, this is the setup that I work from. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour, show you a close-up of my setup, of what I have, how I organize stuff, how I did cable management in the setup, and I would love some feedback. You guys go ahead to the comment section and comment what you guys think I should do, don't do. I'd love to hear your opinions. Obviously, anything you like in the setup or you're interested in, I'll leave all those links down below in the description. Before we get started, hit that like button. It'll help me a lot and I truly appreciate it. Let's go. All right, guys, so I thought I'd walk you through my setup in first person view. We'll start from the left side right here. Do not mind that area. It's a really messy area. I do like all my crap, I just leave there basically. On the left side right here, we have an Alex drawer. That is from IKEA. It sells around 70 bucks, but this is very, very important for my setup because I actually keep a lot of stuff in these drawers, like my headphones, extra boxes, and some boxes that actually have like old keyboards that I don't use anymore, or even my fans and all the extra cable management stuff that I have right down here. At the top right here, we have a aluminum tabletop. This is the 78-inch aluminum top. It goes all the way across right here. And then we have the legs from IKEA. Obviously these are $5 each, so I only have 3 setting right there, so 1, 2, 3. On the right side here, we also have like a small shelf from IKEA where I keep my old PlayStation 4 games, a couple of controllers, and currently 2 empty bins, with one of them has Takis in it, but this is like area that I'm going to be filling soon. And on the right side right here, we have another Alex drawer. In this Alex drawer, I keep like things that I reach to a lot, like a knife for opening boxes, the batteries for my camera, and a lot of stuff that like are just random that I use a lot on a daily basis in my setup. Down here, just mouse and keyboard stuff. And then right here, you're gonna see that I have my cable management stuff. So all of my cords, my cables, and then my cable management stuff back there. And in the bottom 2 drawers, I have a lot of microphones and microphone stuff, like handles or clips or stuff that you need for recording or for using for recording stuff. That is pretty much it for furniture wise. We'll go under the desk real quick. As you guys can see, my cable management is okay. It's not crazy, but it's pretty good. I mean, it's clean. I have a Govia RGB IC strip that's going all around the bottom of the desk. Okay, let's move up to here, which you guys have seen these before. This is the Maono XLR microphone that is connected to the Maonocaster that I reviewed. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go watch it. Right here we have a GIM 64 keyboard with the keycaps from TechWare, a Logitech G305, which is my favorite mouse ever, and then a USB 3 hub right here, a Google Home right here, and then just a fake plant from IKEA. Obviously no cables, because all the cables are actually going through the wall connecting to the monitors. This is a mess, but it's okay because I don't get to see it very often. So we have a monitor mount right here. We have another monitor mount down there. Those are both hydraulics, and then they're connected via power right here, which this box is actually connected under the desk through the wall, and all the HDMI cables are coming through it from the back, which is incredible. Back to the monitors. You guys know my monitor setup. This is the LG Ultra Gear gaming monitor, 144 Hz, 1ms, G-Sync compatible. And this monitor is just the 27-inch Samsung curved monitor, 75 Hz. Nothing crazy, pretty nice. Bought this monitor for $178, one for $90, one for $9 used. Up here we have a webcam for scenario that I don't know when it's gonna come because I don't use a webcam. It's just from Tech Gear. And obviously my PC, which is something that I love a lot. My PC case is the NZXT H510, which I do not really like. I like the way it looks, but I do not like how it feels, or building in it is not really great. For my motherboard, I have the MSI Tomahawk B10450 Max, which I hate and I want to upgrade. So my case and my motherboard are 2 things that I really want to upgrade super soon. For my CPU, I have the 2700X Ryzen. And then for my CPU cooler, I have the Velcro V5 cooler, just an air cooler. And then for the fans, I have the GIM fans. For RAM, I have the 32 gig from Viper, 3200 megahertz running. And then for my GPU, I have the 3070 from Gigabit, the gaming edition. And then these are the RGB strips from GIM as well as this. This is the extension from GIM too. So, and I have a 750 watt power supply, semi-modular in the bottom right there. So that is it for my gaming PC. Oh wait, I have a Saberent 1TB M.2 as well. But that is my PC, which is something I love, obviously, but I want to upgrade stuff in it soon. For my speakers, I have the Logitech G303. These are really good. The speakers, they're like $30 to $40, not expensive at all. They go around the desk. They sound really, really good. Then right here, we have a Google mesh system. Over here is something that my wife gave me, which is an incredible gift. It's a levitating globe. As you can see, it's levitating. There's nothing right there. It's a pretty cool addition to my desk. Right here, we have the Tilted Nation gaming headphone stand with my Rocat 7.1 Aero headset. Right here, we have a spider. Holy crap, look at that spider. Let's kill it. Dead. Just killed the spider. Beautiful. Back to here, we have an eShield White. This is an incredible power strip that has 9 power strips, 3 USB connections, and it lights up RGB, water resistant as well. It's an incredible addition to my setup. I use it all the time, plug in power here and just charge stuff. Right here we have a couple extra controllers, some RGB lights in the back that you guys have seen before. And then up here, this is like my latest addition that I added to my setup. And then right here we have a Rocat Burst, a couple keyboards right here. All of my extra microphones that I don't use anymore or that I've reviewed previously are right up here, so you guys can see that. Ugh, almost fell. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that's in my setup. I mean, you guys know the lights are friends that just help us record these videos, but that was it. Quick tour. That was my setup. I know it's very unofficial and terrible professional quality of recording, but I just wanted to be a little more casual. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys liked my setup. It's not really crazy, but it's what I have and I am happy with it. And I just wanted to share with you guys my current setup. Thank you again for watching and you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.